Hello everyone. Now we are going to solve the module 2 problems, that is work and heat. Module 2 part A problems we are going to solve right now. See, in the module 2 we came across some important theory as well as some derivations. Just 1 minute. Okay. Now this is the module 2 part A, that is work and heat transfer. Work and heat transfer. In these things we studied that the definition of work in mechanics point of view as well as thermodynamics point of view. After that the convection, the work done by the system is taken as the positive, done on the system is taken as the done on the system is taken as the negative, and the very important derivation, that is PDV, work or a displacement work, we derived that. In that one the equation we obtained as this one we obtained. This is integration v1 to v2 PDV. This one we obtained. Later other PDV work in various quasi-static process, that is at constant pressure process. This is the equation, and constant volume process. This is the equation, that is 0. Later isothermal process. For isothermal process, P1 V1 ln of P1 by P2 or P1 V1 ln of V2 by V1. This is what the work transfer in isothermal process. Next, for a polytropic process or adiabatic process, the work transfer, the obtained equation is this one: P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by n minus 1 n minus 1. Next, the path function and point functions we studied. Show that work is the path function, other modes of work transfer. All these things is over, and the heat transfer, this is over. Now the next part is the problem part. Okay, these are the common equations. These are the equations we are used, to solve the problems. Only these equations we are using to solving the problems. Just you should know all the equations. Come to the first problem, that is what: calculate the non-flow work done for a gas which expands from initial pressure 5 bar and volume 4 meter cube to final volume 20 meter cube under the following reversible process. Show the process on PV diagram. Show the process on PV diagram. See here, the non-flow work done. Non-flow work done means this is nothing but closed system. Always keep it in mind. Flow work done means open system. Non-flow means there is no any flow is there, that is the closed system. This is the P1 5 bar V1 4 meter cube and the V2 20 meter cube under the following reversible process is given. Show the process on PV diagram. Okay, now see, these are the conditions. For this condition we have to solve the problem. That is, one is pressure is equals to constant, volume is equals to constant, PV is equals to constant, PV to the power of gamma is equals to constant, and n to the PV to the power of n is equals to constant, where n is 1.25, gamma is equals to 1.4. We have to solve this problem. So this is the given things already I explained. This is the given in the problem: 5 bar P1 V1 is 5 bar and 4 meter cube, and final volume is the 20 meter cube. See here, the expansion of volume is taking place, means V1 is 4 meter cube is there, V2 is final state, volume is 20 meter. So this is the expansion process. Expansion process. If you take, this is the PV diagram. This is the expansion process. State 1 to state 2. State 1 to 2. Okay. that is V1 to V2, 4 to 20 meter cube, which is the expansion work. So the work is positive, work is positive. Now, when P is equals to constant, that is P1 is equals to P2, that is isobaric process, the first process for this condition, the A. We know that the equation is what? Work 1 to 2 PdV is equals to P into V2 minus V1, P into V2 minus V1. Already we know the final volume and also the initial volume. Substitute it here and obtain the work 1 to 2 is equals to 8 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. This is the work obtained by this condition. For the second condition, we know that the work done during volume is equals to constant, that is 0 joule. There is no any work done for the constant volume process. Next, for the isothermal process, PV is equals to constant. What is the equation for isothermal process? Here you can see that for isothermal process, P1 V1 ln V2 by V1. Write that equation here, P1 V1 ln V2 by V1, where V2 is the final volume and V1 is the initial volume. We know that value 20 by 4, P1 V1 ln, P1 is the 5 into 10 to the power 5, initial volume 4. Substitute the values in the calculator, using calculator, find out the final answer, that is 3.21 10 to the power of 6 joule. Next, adiabatic process. For that one we know that P1 V1 minus P2 V2 divided by gamma gamma minus 1. But here we don't know the value of P2. We know the P1 value, V1 we know it, V2 we know it, gamma is given in the problem, but P2 we don't know. So the first we have to find out the P2. Once you find out the P2, we can find out what is the work transfer. And this is the condition they given, PV to the power of P into V to the power of gamma is equals to constant. So P1 V1 to the power of gamma is equals to P2 V2 to the power of gamma is equals to constant. So P2 is equals to P1 V1 by V2 to the power of gamma. What is P1? 5 into 10 to the power of 5. V1 is 4 by 20 to the power of gamma is 1.4. Do the calculation, we will obtain the P2 is equals to 0.525 bar or 0.525 10 to the power 5 Pascal. Next, similarly, once you know the P2 value, substitute the P2 value here. Remaining all the values we know it, find out the work transfer. Find out the work transfer. The work transfer is 2.375 into 10 to the power of 6 joule. Next, adiabatic is given. So adiabatic process is what? Next, polytropic value is given. N value is given. Exactly similar to the last one, the D question. Here also you have to find out what we have to found out what is the P2 value. We know the value P1, V1, V2 because here in the last case N is gamma, that is 1.4, but now to the power of N is 1.25. So once again you have to calculate the P2 value because the power is the index, this index is changed, this power is changed. So we have to find out P2 one more time. So the same thing, P1 V1 1 to the power of 1.25 is equals to P2 V2 to the power of 1.25. Then P2 is equals to this value. Find out what is the P2 value. Once you know the P2 value, substitute here and we will obtain the work 1 to 2. Now the show all the things on this one. The constant pressure process means this is the constant pressure process. Okay, constant pressure. Constant volume process is this is the constant volume, and PV is equals to C, PV to the power of N is equals to C, PV to the power of gamma is equals to constant. This is PV to the power of gamma and this is PV to the power of N. Okay, we come to the next problem. This is the another type of problem. The work supplied, okay, means you are giving work to the system, you are giving work to the system. So you are giving work to the system in a closed system is 160 kilojoule. The initial volume is 0.8 meter cube. Pressure of the system changes. P is equals to 7 minus 3V, where P is in bar and V is in meter cube. Determine the final volume and pressure of the system. See, in this problem, what it is given means The work supplied means you are giving a work to the system, means this is the sign is negative. The given this given value, this is the work done is equals to minus 160 kilojoule, because the work is applied to the system. The initial volume is given and the pressure is changed in P is equal to 7 minus 3V, and this is very important where P is in bar. Don't forget this one. P is in bar means 10 to the power of 5 Pascal or Newton per meter square. Next, uh, we know that according to the PdV work or displacement work, W is equals to integration V1 to V2 PdV. V1 to V2. What is P? The P is given in the problem. In place of P, I can write 7 minus 3V into dV into 10 to the power of 5. Don't forget this one. This is very, very important. If you forget this one, you won't get the answer. This is very, very, very important because P is in bar. You have to substitute this value here. In some problems, P is in kilopascal. In that time, 10 to the power of 3. Here it is clearly given. It is in bar. So multiply by 10 to the power of 5. If you forget this one, you won't get the correct value. Next, initial value is, you know it, 0.8, you know it. 0.82 V2, 7 minus 3 into dV into 10 to the power of 5. 10 to the power of 5 is the constant, take it outside. Integrate this one, integrate this one. Integration of 7 is what? Integration of 7 is 7V minus 3V square. Integration of 7 is 7V minus 3V square. 7V minus 3V square by 2. Limit is from V1 to V2. Now substitute the limit to this one. 7 into V2 minus 0.8 minus 3 into V2 square minus V1 square. V1 square is 0.8 square divided by 2. Substitute the values, do the calculation. Just do the calculation. Just simplify it. You will obtain, you come across this step. Later, in the problem clearly given that work is applied to the system, so the sign is negative. Now you substitute the W value here. V2 is the unknown. Do the calculation. Now see, when doing the calculation, you will get the V2 value, two values, 4.18, 0.48. Here the negative sign represent compression. Okay. Positive sign represent expansion. Expansion means 1 to 2. This is 1 to 2. Okay. This is a PV diagram. The negative sign represents compression. The expansion sign represents the positive sign. This is positive sign. This is negative sign. See, here there are two values will be there. You have to choose that one. The initial V1 is 0.8. During compression, the final state, the volume will reduces. So, which value is reduced less than the V1? Is 4.18 is less than 0.8 or 0.48 is less than 0.8? 0.48 is less than 0.8 because the work is negative and this represents the compression process. Therefore, you have to choose 0.48 is the correct value. 0.48 is the correct value. Suppose work done by the system, work done by the system is given. This becomes a positive. So the initial final volume should be greater than this initial volume. But here the work is negative. That represents the compression. So the final volume should be less than initial volume. So the final volume 0.48 is less than 0.8. You take this value 0.48 is the correct value. V2 is equals to 0.8. Once you know the 0.8, we can find out the P1 and P2 very easily. P2 is equals to 7 minus 3V. 7 minus 3V2. Substitute the V2 value. You'll get this value. Exactly similar to the same problem, but here the work is supplied is the 200 kilojoule and the equation is 8 minus 5I The initial volume is 0.5 meter cube, and find out this one. See here also the work is negative. Work is supplied means negative sign. The work should be a minus 200 kilojoule. And just you think that the final volume should be less than 0.5. We can see here the final volume V2 is 0.18 less than the zero point 0.5 meter cube, exactly similar to the last column. In second column you would do. This is the assignment for you. Next, in a closed system, air is compressed. See, in a closed system, air is compressed from V1 0.5 meter cube to V2 0.1 meter cube by a piston. The pressure and volume, the relationship is given by this thing, where P is in bar, means you have to multiply by 10 to the power 5. Don't forget this one, 10 to the power 5 Pascal, and V is in meter cube. Calculate the work done. See, before going to solve this problem, what the work should be a negative sign, because the air is compressed. The compression process, finally you'll get the work is negative. Suppose if it is expansion process, you'll get the work is positive. Okay. Now we know that work is equals to integration. We know that work is equal to integration PdV from V1 to V2, where what is P? P is 5 minus 3V, 5 minus 3V into 10 to the power of 5. Integration of this is what? 5V minus 3V square by 2. The limit is what? V1 to V2, V1 to V2. Substitute the limits. 5 into V2 minus V1 minus 3 into V2 square minus V1 square by 2. Substitute the limits into 10 to the power of 5. What is V2? 0.1. V1 is 0.5. Substitute here. Do the calculation, simplification. Finally, we came across work 1 to 2 is minus 1.64 into 10 to the power of 5 joule. Automatically, the negative sign will becomes, because this is the compression process. Next, in a closed system, during a process, a volume changes from 4 to 8 meter cube. See here, initial volume is V1, final volume is 8 meter cube. It means what? This is the PV diagram. Means this is the like that. State 1 to state 1 to state 2. The volume is increasing. So this is an expansion process. The work should be a positive value. V1 is given, V2 is given, and the P and V relationship is given. P and V relationship is given. P is equals to VQ plus 10V. Now we will substitute here and we will do the calculation. We will do the calculation. P is equals to VQ plus 10V. In place of P into dV, the P value is given in the problem. Substitute to here. This is V1 to V2. Some writing mistakes is there. Make it correct. This is V1. P is VQ plus 10V into dV into 10 to the power of 5. Integration of V cube is V to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 10 ln V, 1 over V. The integration is 10 ln V. The limit is V1 to V2 into 10 to the power of 5, because P is in bar. Don't forget, here is C. This is very, very important. If you left out this one, you won't get the correct value. That's all. Then substitute the limits. V2 to the power of 4 minus V1 to the power of 4 divided by 4 plus 10 ln V2 minus ln V1, or I can write ln of V2 by V1 to the power of 5. Then the V2 is 8 to the power of 4, V1 is the 4. The initial volume is 4, the final volume is 8. Substitute the volume given in the problem, substitute it here. Finally, we will get work 1 to 2 is equals to 9.669 10 to the power of 5 joule. See, this is the expansion process, so the work done is positive. Next problem is exactly similar to the last two problems. See here, here the P is given 500 divided by V plus 0.05 V cube. In the process, specific volume changes from 5 meter cube per kg to 3 meter per kg. P is in bar, V is in meter cube per kg. And see here, the volume is decreasing. Means initial is 5 meter, and meter cube, and the final volume is 3 meter cube. So this is what compression process. So the work done should be a negative value. Now integrate this one. 500 V means 500 ln V, 0.05 V to the power of 4 divided by 4 here, here. Substitute the limits and do the calculation as exactly similar to the last 4 and 5 problems. Here the substitution, everything is done. Finally, the negative sign we obtained because the volume is compressed. Volume is compressed. Okay, the next set of problems, the remaining next set of problems we will do later. In the next class we will do that one. That is remaining this set problems they become a cyclic process. The problems is becomes like a cyclic process. So we will do this in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Do the practice and solve some more problems for your confidence. Thank you for watching the class.